Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to create a Bumble account on your PC. Bumble is a fantastic platform for meeting new people and making meaningful connections. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Bumble website, which is bumble.com. On the Bumble homepage, click on the join or sign up button. You will have option to sign up with your phone number, click on that. Enter your phone number in the provided space. Make sure it's a valid and active number since Bumble will send you a verification code. After entering your phone number, click on continue. Here you have been provided with a CAPTCHA to complete. Complete this by typing what you see. Bumble has sent you a verification code via SMS. Enter that code to verify your number. Once your number is verified, you will be promoted to create your profile. Here in the provided field, add your name. Then continue. You will need to provide some basic informations like your birthday. Enter your birth date here. Again, continue. Also provide your gender. Now you have been promoted to create your profile. Add a profile picture. Again, continue. Here you have to allow location access to show who is nearby. Before you can start using Bumble, you will need to agree to their terms and policies. It's essential to read and understand these terms. Here you have to choose a mode to get started, either from date or BFF. You can choose either of them, but I'm continuing with date. Click on get verified. Read the sentences to actually know the process. Click on agree and submit. So here it says your submission is being processed. Finally, you can complete your profile by adding some more details, interests, and a short bio. The more information you share, the better your chances of meaningful connection. And there you will have it. You have successfully created a Bumble account on your PC. You are now ready to start making new connections and finding new people who share your interest. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below and we will happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.